Ko taku aro o te pūtaiao ki konei, ko te whakamaru ngahere, kia ora te taiao, kia ora te ngahere, kia ora hoki ngā tāngata. The focus of my research here as a portfolio leader is around protecting Indigenous forests, all those forests that are non-harvesting, and all those things that encompass protecting from risks and threats to our ngahere. I look to create benefits for Mauri. We have a Te Ao Māori-led pathway and a science-led pathway of research. By working together, we can find innovative ways that can provide benefits to community, to iwi, partners, stakeholders, Aotearoa, and across the globe. Māori as kaitiaki have a really intrinsic connection and relationship, and the learnings and the knowledge exchange that we can have can really benefit what we can produce here at Scion for ngahere. I think the biggest benefit in having a pathway that has Māori considered in the strategic approach of the portfolio I lead is that Māori are visible in all projects. I've been able to produce and lead projects that consider community and Māori at the forefront. That way of planning projects can often have a wider reach and benefit to Aotearoa, to industry, to the environment, and of course for our ngahere.